Krishna Murari, Sri Krishna Murari.
Before we start Yatra, we have to pay pranams and respects our tears.
When our Tirtha Guru came first time with his Guru has revealed the Bhav Drishta of this place, where this place has a lot of Kadambha trees here. So his Guru revealed the beautiful feeling of Sakhis and Radharani and Rasa Leela feel, where all the trees we can see here, all the trees are surrounding the two beautiful trees there, where two beautiful trees are actually intertwined each other, and they are like Radharani Krishna surrounded Yugal Vriksh, surrounded by all the Sakhis, with all the Sakhis raising their arms, and we can see all dancing around Radharani and Krishna. Maharaj Mandal. So this is a beautiful darshan that we got by the kripa of Tirtha Guru. His Guru revealed to him, and he is sharing with all of us.
Vikram
Rajvasi ji. Mercy.
How Guru revealed?
Yeah, his Gurudev, when he came with his Gurudev revealed this bhava.
Da. Jaya Guru Deva, Jaya Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare
So Radhe Radhe. So he heard from his ancestors that this is the place where every day Radharani and Krishna they perform Maharaj Leela, and this is the place. From this place every day the Vrajraj, the flowers and the water go to the Mitti and go to the Radharani's place.
Bartan साफ किया?
Yes. This mitti बर्तन साफ भी होते हैं.
Bartan
Asli Saban.
And this is happening from last 500 years, from the day when Narayan Bhattaji has brought this Radharani.
Last 500.
Last 500 years. Yes, and based on the bhav, there is a well here, and based on the bhav, actually that well is treating people's many diseases. Just by drinking, people are getting freedom from their chronic diseases, whatever they are going through. And he said, Bhakti means bhav. Bhav means bhakti. So this is
Satyam. From Satyam to Dhimahi. Ancient Braj. So Yamuna is flowing, Nandagram is north of here. It's flowing right by Nandagram. Krishna came down the hill, jumped in Yamuna. And it's flowing this way. Yamuna is going down to Govardhan. And beyond Govardhan, beyond Dangati, you're going Cedar. There's a village called Yamuna Nagar. Even today it's called Yamuna Nagar. And then you take the ground, there's a whole sand from the bottom of the river. It's like only that kind of sand you find at the bottom of the river. So it's called Yamuna Nagar even today. So some of that Yamuna stay here to serve Radharani Krishna and Radha Bhagita and Barsana. So Dharmendra Goswami is pointing out this Yamuna, Prakap Yamuna here in Radha Bhagita. So that's what I say. Jai Jai Sri Radhe. Radharani ki Jai. Bhagavan Lilas ki Jai.
So he actually is saying all the Sakhis and Radharani came to Sanket 1, and they were waiting for Krishna. Yeah, yes, Guru. They are waiting there for Krishna. Then Purnamasi, observing that, indicated Krishna that you indicate Radharani. Then Krishna indicated Radharani and Radharani indicated Krishna. Both came here and met.
The word Sanket, S-A-N-K-E-T, means signal.
Yes.
Doesn't mean people think it means meeting.
No.
The Sangha, Milan means meeting. So Sangha is signal. So Krishna, Nandagam's Ujjadi, north, and Varsan's there. So they came halfway.
Yes.
Meeting halfway, you know.
Yes.
So Radharani came to Sangha on Sub-Sakyon, Kesat, And then Purnamasi lives near the underground side. So she told Krishna, hey, your girlfriend's waiting for you 78 bucks. So then Krishna came to Domil.
Krishna indicated come to Domilvan, so both came.
Yes, this is where they met. Krishna came from Nandagram, Radharani came from Rasa. They met
Milan.
Milan Gal. Milan means to meet, Do means to. And Sanket is where he gives a signal. Radharani said, I'm here, and Krishna, I'm here. Radharani said, come here. He said, no, you come here. And Krishna and Radharani came.
Vrindavanaya sthana Andriya Chintamanila Ratana Mandira Manata Hare Krishna
महाराज की महाराज की जय जय श्री
महाराज जी प्रश्न मतलब महाराज जी पूछ रहे आपसे कि वृंदावन में 84 कोष में योगमाया देवी का धाम कहाँ योगमाया मानसी देवी योगमाया देवी है ना ऐसे
What's the name? Okay, tell us some itihas or some lilas.
यहाँ का लीला बता सकते हो?
बोले संकेत बिहारी लाल की
जय,
माया देवी की
जय,
संकेत धन की
जय,
गोपाल भट्ट सिंह महाराज की
जय,
गोपाल भट्ट सिंह महाराज की
जय,
संकेत भट्ट की
जय,
संकेत वन की
जय,
संकेत बिहारी लाल की
जय,
संकेत गांव की
जय,
सब संतन की
जय,
सब भक्तन की
जय,
जय जय श्री
श्री
राधे। यह स्थल का नाम है संकेत भट्ट। संकेत भट्ट संकेत वन भी कहा जाता है। राधा कृष्ण प्रथम मिलन स्थल है। राजकोषाण वृंदावन में यहाँ स्थल पे राधा कृष्ण मिलन हुआ। यहाँ पे मंदिर है जोग माया देवी का मंदिर है। जो हमारा गोपाल जी जन्म हुआ था अक्टूबर में, उसी टाइम कंसो जो माँ ने लेके गए थे तो आकाश तरफ वो निकल गया। वो बोला कंस ने तुम्हारे मारने वाला तो गोकुल में जन्म ले चुका है। वो देवी और कन्या थी, वो वाले जोग माया देवी है। यहाँ पे भगवान श्री कृष्ण का संकेत दे के राधा रानी साथ यहाँ मिलन कराए। वो जोग माया देवी और संकेत माता नाम है, जो संकेत करते हैं, जो इशारा करते हैं। इशारा करके बोला कि राधा रानी साथ मिलन कराए, इसलिए जोग माया देवी का नाम है संकेत देवी। यहाँ गोपाल भट्ट गोस्वामी भजन कोटी और राधा रानी जी बरसना से गोपियों के साथ यहाँ आके खेलती थी बोट के नीचे छाया में। और इधर नंदगांव से भगवान श्री कृष्ण सखा के साथ लेके गैया लेके इधर वन में आए थे चढ़ाने के लिए। उसी टाइम जोग माया देवी संकेत दिया, कहना है तुम यहाँ पे जल्दी आ जाओ। संकेत दे के राधा रानी के साथ मिलन कराए, इसलिए संकेत देवी नाम है जोग माया देवी के। राधा कृष्ण मिलन स्थल यहाँ लगन लगे जो उतरा है पीछे, जो शादी के दिन हुआ था इधर, यहाँ पे हुआ था जो शादी हुआ ना, यहाँ पे दिन लगन पीछे लगन लगे, लगन चौक के पीछे जो उतरा गोपाल भट्ट दर्शन यहाँ भजन उठे 500 साल बोले संकेत बिहारी लाल की ऐसे बिहारी जी का नाम हुआ, कन्हैया का नाम हुआ हमारे संकेत बिहारी लाल। गांव के नाम है संकेत गांव। ठाकुर जी का नाम है संकेत माता देवी, जो संकेत है। राधा कृष्ण प्रथम मिलन स्थल है। बोलिए संकेत बिहारी लाल की संकेत माता की संकेत भट्ट की जय जय श्री राधे।
Radhe Radhe, this is the place where Purnamasi Devi, seeing that Radharani and Gopis all were playing here, Purnamasi Devi, Sanket Devi, Yogamaya Devi called Krishna from Nandagaon, please come here. So Krishna came here on the indication of Yogamaya Devi.
Where Sanket means that.
Yes, yes. And first Radharani and Krishna met at this place. That's what.
What's the relation between Sanket, San, and Domila? You say me here, let me there. Explain the connection.
बाबा 2001 में बाबा वहाँ बोल रहे कि वहाँ पे राधा रानी और कृष्ण का मिलन हुआ है।
नहीं, यह हमारा लिखा है संकेत
संकेत वहाँ पर नहीं हुआ।
Gaudiya says with Bhakti Ratnakar. Bhakti Ratnakar. Maharaj Chakravarti. So explain all that in English. There you go.
So
Brajvasi Tears Guru says.
Brajvasi Tears Guru says that Radha and Krishna first met in 2001, which we saw just before, and but our acharyas in Bhaktratnakar, Narahari Chakravarti Thakur Pad says that Radha and Krishna actually met in this place near Sanket.
That's how pastime Brajvasi of the relationship between Sanket and Yogamaya.
So Brajvasi Tirtha Guru says that Radharani and Krishna, so Radharani and Sakhis came here and started playing.
Barsana stuff.
Barsana stuff. They
Came
came
to
Sanket and they started playing.
Indication.
Yeah.
The Purnamasi.
Yeah.
Purnamasi
Communicated. So they started playing here. But Purnamasi, seeing Radharani and Sakhis here, Purnamasi Gaon is there. North of here, Nandagaon, north of this place. So Purnamasi saw that Radharani and Sakhis are here. So seeing that Radharani and Sakhis are here, they want to meet Krishna. So Purnamasi Devi, Yogamaya Devi gave indication from Purnamasi, the place where she stays, to Krishna from Nandagaon. Come. Then Krishna indicated the Sakhis here at Radharani to come to Domilvan. So both of them came and met there at Domilvan. That's what Guru was explaining.
But our Gaudiya Sampradaya Babaji said,
Pujari says that actually Radha and Krishna met here. Radha and Krishna came to play here. Then Purnamasi.
It's just a matter of a couple kilometers. 2 kilometers door.
Yes, yes.
And our Shastra, Bhakti Ratnakar, says here.
Har Chakravarti Pad says here.
This is Gaudiya Sampradaya idea.
Jai Radha Ramana Giridhari, Giridhari Shyama Vanavali. Mero Radha Ramana Giridhari, Giridhari Shyama Vanavali. Radha Ramana Giridhari, Giridhari Shyama Vanavali.
It's sort of each else.
Yes.
The old time was the
बाबा पुराना काल में ये गुफा था क्या बाबा?
हाँ, 500 साल पुराने कम से कम।
हाँ।
हमारा श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य महाप्रभु गोपाल भट्ट गोस्वामी काबरा फाड़ गया, तो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य गौ सुंदर हमारा डोरो कॉपिन काबरा ले यहाँ पे दिए दान करो। यहाँ पे स्थल
गौरंग महाप्रभु ने दिया है।
और क्या श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य महाप्रभु हमारा काबरा यहाँ पर दान किया है। हार गया काबरा गोपाल भट्ट गोस्वामी भजन भाव से जो वृंदावन राधा रमन जो प्रकट किया, जो भक्ति भाव से शालिग्राम से राधा रमन प्रकट किया, तो इसीलिए भजन कुटिया 500 साल पुराने। श्री रूप सनातन भट्ट रघुनाथ श्री गोपाल भट्ट दास रघुनाथ एच्छाई गुसाई पद चरण वंदन जहाँ विघ्ननाश अभीष्ट पूर्ण। गोपाल भट्ट गोस्वामी भजन कुटी बहुत प्राचीन स्थल है।
It's a gufa before, and at that time actually Gopal Bhatta Goswami Pad's Kaupin and Bahirvast somehow got torn apart. So he was doing bhajan here in gufa. Then Gaurang Mahaprabhu, Gaurang Mahaprabhu personally came and gave clothes.
Where can you see that door open? I see, where can you have darshan of that?
Darshan of Kaupin in Radharaman.
Yeah, that's what I'm just setting up a
Yes,
question
yes.
to reveal a fact. The Kaupin underwear, Babaji sannyasi underwear, Mahaprabhu takes sannyas. Yeah. that it was given to Gopal Bhajan here. He was such a Niskinchan Vairagi Sadhu, Babaji praying back to, he didn't care what it was called. It wasn't like you, don't be inspired. But, he was all tattered, worn out. Maharaj gave his own new one. The new one is on display around Monday.
Yes.
So he was living in a cave doing bhajan. That's why he had to step down there.
Yes.
So it's really cool in the summer here. It's like that really cave was like 10, 50, like 5 meters underground. Not like this kind of cave. This gives you the idea. Okay, it was 5 feet Nietzsche. Go Swami ki jai, Radharani ki jai, Jai Sri Ram.
Har har bole Om Namah
That's the
Shivaya.
story of Rishabhara Maharaj, Radharani's father. This is a place, a village called Ravel. How do you spell it? Ravel. This is Ravel stage 1. This is Tapasya Stali and Ravel near Gopal across Yamuna from Mathura. That's Ravel stage 2. This is Tapasya Stali, that's Prakat Stali. Prakat Stali, Radharani Kamurti, Radharani Karupam, Prakat Stali. Means a place where Radharani manifests her Rupam. But to manifest her Rupam, no Tapasya, no submission,
No permission.
no admission, no permission, no admission. So to get access to the form of Radharani and the appearance of Radharani and get a child after having Sridham, Rishabhara Kirtan had Sridham. Their first child was a son, Sridham. They want to have another child. So he did Tapasya, worship Shiva. Like every girl, every band, they worship Shiva, get a child. Thank you. So he worshipped Lord Shiva here. The village is called Ravel. This is called Ravel Part 1 and Ravel Part 2 is here local. So there's not two, there's two halves of one place. This is Tapasya Stali, that's Prakat Stali. See Tapasya there? Prakat means manifestation. Radharani didn't manifest here. You can't say two Janamstan. It's not two Janamstan. It's one Janamstan that happened in 2 places. One for Tapasya, austerity, and one for manifestation, appearance. The appearance place for Radharani, according to Gaudiya Sampradaya, in this kalpa is Rav. According to Nirvari Sampradaya, appearance place for Radharani is Varsana. Jai Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Radha Giri